In this video, I will be talking about electrolytes in the blood. Electrolytes can be divided into cations and anions as shown here, but today in this video, I will be talking about sodium and calcium only. I will be talking about conditions that can occur with these electrolytes, but before I get into that, I want to break down the prefixes in the words so you can have a better understanding of what's going on in the conditions. Hyper is a prefix that I would say means an excess of. And to picture that, I would imagine kids with an excess or too much sugar, and they're all hyper. Hypo is a prefix that I would say means a lack of. And to picture that, imagine people when they have a lack of sleep, and they're not hyper at all. They are the opposite. Emia is a prefix that refers to a condition in the blood. For these conditions, the name can hint at what electrolyte is being talked about. For example, hypernatremia has the ion in its name, Na. Sodium has many major roles in the body. One of those is that sodium is one of the ions associated with the resting membrane potential. And a sodium influx is what causes depolarization in cells to cause muscle contraction. Another major role is that the sodium gradient is key in cotransport of other solutes. Cotransport is the pressure gradient of an ion from high to low that allows other ions to catch a ride as a form of active transport against their own concentration gradient. This means the other ions are going from low concentration to high concentration. Excess sodium is called hypernatremia, and the physiological consequences of that are water retention, hypertension, and edema. Sodium deficiency is hyponatremia, and the physiological consequences of that are confusion, loss of energy, irritability, and muscle spasms. To remember hyponatremia, my mnemonic is too many french fries. And my explanation for that is that when you have too much salt from french fries, you can get unhappy because you need to drink a lot of water and your mouth is so salty and you don't feel good. Hyponatremia, I would say you would have too little french fries because everyone loves french fries, and if you don't have enough every once in a while, you get really unhappy. And you lose energy and you're all sad because you want those french fries so bad. Calcium is the other electrolyte we'll be talking about. And its major roles are that it strengthens the skeleton, is needed for the sliding filament mechanism for muscles to contract, is a second messenger for certain hormones, causes excitosis of neurotransmitters, and is very important for blood clotting. Excess calcium is hypercalcemia, and the physiological consequences of that are that it can cause depolarization of nerve and muscle cells to be inhibited. Deficiency of calcium is hypocalcemia, and those consequences are that the nervous system and muscular systems seem to be really excited. Hypercalcemia is too much milk. If you drink a lot of milk, you feel like your stomach is going to explode, and so you're very weak and it's very sad, which is very unhealthy for you. Hypocalcemia is too little milk. If you don't have enough milk, your body starts to go crazy because you crave milk like an addict. Thank you for watching my video.